So want you host your own events and sell tickets directly through your website? In this video, I'll show you how to easily set up ticket events on your Wix site. So whether it's like a workshop and a concert or a private class, let's get your event live and selling tickets in no time. So what you're gonna have to do here is super simple on Wix. We have different apps, so I'm gonna show you here. In my business, I have so many apps that I just install. So you can click on the three dots here and just delete an app on Wix, or you can click on Find Apps here and go to App Market, and then here you can just write Wix events. That's one way. Another way can just write here, and here you have Wix events and tickets. Now that's one way, right? It's free to install. You can also go here to add element, and then here you have bookings, events, and book. You have booking and then event. Create manage event. We can click on here. You also have related apps here, which is pretty cool, but I'm gonna install this app. Okay, add to site. Now it's adding this Wix events and tickets. And then here we're gonna see we have a new we actually added this also. We have a new page. So pages and menu. You have event pages, and then here we have this page, the other one, and this other one. And what I've learned when I started using Wix, like for each app we have a new page. For blog app we have those pages, blog and post, right? For portfolio, for events, we have this one. So I'm going to click on this one. Don't pay attention on the design of this website, just for testing. I know it looks very, very ugly, but it's just for testing. So yeah, now we have this new app here. We have events list. We have manage events from here. I'm going to show you later on. We have settings here. We can change the settings. We can create our first event from here, or we can actually just disable stretch to the full width from here. We can also upgrade. We also have that option here to upgrade. So that's my current plan, but you can upgrade to the core or business for more features. Okay. Now here, let's click on settings and just create our first event. Okay, we're just gonna have to wait a couple of seconds. And here we have here in the dashboard, we didn't have this before, this events panel here, but now we have a new option here or feature called event here, as well as blog. I was confused when I started using Wix why I don't have blog here. It's just an app, and once you install this app, you're gonna see blog. Once you install this Wix blog app, you're gonna see here a new option called blog. But in our case here in events, we have a new we just have a new feature here, or we have this option events, and I'm gonna click on add events from here. You can also use AI, pretty cool, but I'm gonna start from scratch. So start from scratch, and here we can select from a ticket event, which is gonna offer like a free paid or free, or offer paid or free tickets with taxes, and prefer for classes, workshop, and conferences, or for collect and perfect for weddings, private events, and parties. But I'm going to start with this one first. Here we're going to enter our name, and then here now I'm just gonna add the name. So let's say here this is something about art mastery workshop. Okay, and then here we're gonna add a short teaser. Unlock, let's say, your creativity with expert guidance in hands of art shop. Okay, I'm gonna add this here. Now the category, we can click on here to add a category, create a category. So here, arts, click on that. Now we have a new category here, confirm. And then here we can actually choose from here the time, recurring event, or to be decided. Single event, we can start the daytime, the end time, the time zone, short time zone, and here the location. and we can add the location where we like this physical location. We can also just have an online location to be decided. Let's say physical location. This is going to be in whatever, let's say Hungary. Now we have about the event. So here we're just gonna enter the some details. You can also use AI chat. This this is a this is event about art mastery workshop. So now we can use this AI. It's gonna help us to write the content. So let's see how it's doing. So the event is dedicated to enhance. Okay, not bad. I can add this here now. And now we can add an image if you want, a gallery, a divider, some insert HTML code, a video, Instagram post, TikTok video, Twitter post, also code, snipper, add a GIF, file, emoji, and audio file. So I do like that we have a bunch of options here. And then we can just click on, and make sure you also add the image, and then we can click on create draft. And if I click on here now, it's going to direct us and I can add an image, but I'm going to use arts, just to use an image from Unsplash. So just so we have an image, and now I'm going to click on create draft. Okay, and now draft created. Now add ticket. We can now click on here to add ticket. We can click on here now, add the ticket. So the ticket name and the description. Here I can write, let's say this is just an early bird access description. For the description, whatever you want to add here, this is optional as well. Now the pricing, fixed price or pay what you want, or free, fixed price. Let's say this is 234, and then the US currency. You can select here your currency, and then you have the two options here: absorb the ticket service fee, pass the ticket service fee on to the buyer. You have that option as well. And here you have some ticket policy that you can add, and you also have some advanced settings from here, and you can set ticket sell period if you want to. And then here is cool. You can view this ticket PDF. You can also redesign this, edit ticket, save it, and then this is going to direct us to this. We can pretty cool that we can design this. So we have this image displayed, a text. We can remove that. Removes the way what is displayed here, and the text we can customize it. The image, fit, crop, logo. You can also add our own logo, which is a good option. We know it just represents our brand, our event. And of course here, don't forget to add a payment method. We can click on here settings, and then here in settings we have a payment method, which is of course accept payments. We do need to have a payment method. You can use Stripe, PayPal, or manual payments, which is pretty cool. You can click on connect here and connect your payment. You can click on connect. This is gonna direct now to Stripe. It's pretty easy. Now we have our events. First here, click on settings, and here in events we can see manage events, create event. We can see that we already created an event, and now here we have events. And then I don't know if I actually saved that one, but here we have some drafts. And if now I can click on publish, and now we do have an event published. It was just a draft, but that's if you want, it's good that we have it as just just a draft, then you can publish it, right? So here we have the events. We have this right now, this one here. We can change the layout, the way it's displayed, the text. You can change the text, the design, the text, the design for the text, for the button, which is pretty cool. We have a bunch of options here. So we can design this the way we want. We have options that is cool. And let me just stretch this, and now margin if we want. And here we go back to manage event here, and then we go back here to settings. Now we have some options for the pages, members. We can add now events to your members area. So this, and here basically where you can, let me just the cam. So we can, where you can, when we add events to our members area, it's just gonna give you the cool option, spaces for events. You can log in and see all the events they're signed up to, and then you can easily manage their RSVPs, like confirm if they're going, cancel if they need to, and they can also even download their tickets right from there. It's a super handy because they don't have to go looking through their emails or anything. And they can also share the event with others, which is great if you want more people to join. You have support here, but overall, if you want to customize it, you can do it from here. You have the design here, the text, and the membership button. And I can also, of course, just preview this. I'm gonna click on preview, and this is how it just looks like. We have this event. Of course, you can just we do need to do more redesigning in this example, but you have the button here, the time and the location. Okay, so I can click on here preview. You can click on here buy tickets, and it's better this to test, sorry. So what I like to do here is just to click on publish here, and then I'm just gonna click on view site. And then from here, now we can see the sections, and then you can just click on the event. So we can see what we have here. And don't forget that here in pages and menu, you also have the schedule one, and then the events, and then event details and registration. This one here, of course, you can customize it as well. You can click on here and just manage, just click on settings and customize this even as well. You can see here the about, the location, which you can click on this, manage event, and then also settings for this one here, design, the text, and that's pretty helpful, right? Now I can click on preview and preview this. You have here buy tickets. You can go to checkout. Let's say one, and then you click on checkout here. But here you're gonna have to actually upgrade your site. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have more questions, leave your questions down below. And if you can, you might have maybe this question. I thought about of me, if someone asks this question, if they can use Wix Events platform for free. So you can create actually a free event website and offer your events for free by collecting the RSVPs. In order to sell tickets to your events and accept online payments, you need to have a Wix Business Premium plan. This includes a full suite of features and tools to manage and grow your business from desktop and on to go with the Wix app. And that's what I'm actually reading from. This is what you have on Wix. You also have this one right over here, create a platform. You can get started here. That's something you can start with, create a professional event website. Okay, and you can also start with this if you want to. Now, other questions you might have, the relating to downloads, guests, they can actually download their tickets from the confirmation email after they receive after they purchase or with the RSVPing. If you've set up a members area, they can also log in and download their tickets from there. Now, about the limit, the numbers of tickets available, you can create an event, you can set a limit on the number of tickets available to control like how many people can come to your event, can attend your event. And yeah, if you have more questions, leave your questions down below. Thanks for watching and take care.